There's two ways here. I see liquidity down here, liquidity up there. This was broken and it looks like a retest. So anything that's sell setup underneath here will take it. Anything buy setup above this will take it to the upside. So choose which side you would like, or which side you are that gives you proper risk management, and take it. But this is the area where it will be decided. Either they're gonna target up or they will target low. Is it worth the target to trade the up move? It depends what kind of a trader you are. Is it worth to take a short to target these? Yeah, why not? If it confirms it. There's ways to confirm these.